Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on editing and updating the existing backlink details in BoldSign. In BoldSign, editing an existing backlink allows users to make necessary changes or customizations to their backlinks for some purposes. This feature is significant as it saves time and enhances efficiency by enabling modifications to existing backlinks without the need to start from scratch. Whether the link is expired, active, or inactive, users can update outdated details or add information that was initially missed. This flexibility ensures that the backlinks remain accurate and relevant, addressing the needs of your business. Let's consider a scenario where a real estate agent is tasked with sending a rental agreement to clients for signature. After creating and distributing the link to clients for signing, the agent notices that they have used an outdated agreement and forgot to include the internal manager as the CC recipient. Instead of inactivating the backlink and creating another one from scratch, the agent decides to edit the existing backlink details before the clients sign it. This approach enables the agent to update the outdated document, and the clients can still sign the updated agreement using the initial link provided by the agent, saving time and avoiding confusion for the clients. Let me show you how the agent will go about this. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I expand the Backlinks menu and select my backlinks. A list of all my links is displayed. Here I need to edit the rental agreement backlink and make changes instead of starting from scratch. To do this, I first locate the rental agreement backlink. I hover over it and click the context menu. A list of options appears. I then choose the Edit Backlink option. Upon clicking that option, and navigate it to the Prepare Backlink page of that particular backlink. Here I need to replace the old file, as it is an outdated agreement. To do this, I move to the Add Files section and replace the file by clicking the Replace button. Next, I move to the Add CC section and include the internal manager's email as the CC recipient. Since the remaining sections are correct, I click the Next button to move to the Configure Field page. This is where I set the form fields based on my needs. Here the form fields present in the older document are shown in the new document. I check their positioning and add a new form field. Once done, I proceed to save the backlink by clicking the Save Backlink button. Now, the rental agreement backlink has been edited successfully, and the URL has not changed. The clients can still sign the updated agreement using the initial link provided. That summarizes how to edit and update the existing backlink details in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.